This is amazing. People are running around sick out here, not realizing that if they would begin to take this olive oil, it will begin to turn everything around. I'm trying to tell you folks. Not only that, but there's something called the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cells. They're like the engines inside of your cells that produce the energy. And listen, when you are taking this olive oil, it protects the mitochondria from oxidative stress. Okay? It supports energy production at the cellular level without creating excess inflammation. It increases stamina, better mental focus, and slower cellular aging. Listen, I'm trying to tell you, this olive oil slows down the aging process. Come on, somebody. I'm trying to tell you, this stuff is amazing. Not only that, but olive oil turns on your health. What do you mean? The polyphenols in olive oil. And look at this here. This here has 30 times more polyphenols than any olive oil on the planet. 30 times more hydroxytyrosol and polyphenols than any other olive oil. 30 times. Come on, somebody. I'm trying to tell you. So what's happening is, with these polyphenols, they influence your genes. Okay? Listen, they don't just feed your body, they talk to it. Come on. I'm trying to tell you. They don't just feed your body. They talk to your body. Olive oil can turn on genes related to antioxidant defense and cellular repair. And they turn off genes related to inflammation and tumor growth. Come on, I'm trying to tell you. Olive oil helps you live out the best version of your genetic code. Folks, I'm trying to tell you, God has given us everything we need. This olive oil is amazing. So, okay, let's get back to this. So, also, while you're taking it in the morning, it gives you the antioxidant power that your body needs. So, like, as I said, it's rich in polyphenols, which fight free radicals and inflammation from the start of your day. When you're taking it in the morning, it helps you to start your day off, and it keeps at bay inflammation. And do you know how many diseases is as a result of inflammation? Amazing. Not only that, but when you take it in the morning, it boosts metabolism and energy. It helps healthy fats provide sustained energy and support metabolic function, helping to regulate blood sugar and reduce cravings. I've had people say, it has curbed my appetite. It has cut back on my cravings. I'm telling you. Also, it supports gut health. This is in the morning. We haven't got to the night yet. It supports gut health. So it stimulates intestinal activity and supports the gut lining, potentially reducing issues like constipation or gastritis. Gut. Many people believe that many diseases begins in the gut. Many things is a gut issue. But this olive oil supports gut health. Also, cardiovascular protection. Taking olive oil in the morning helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure throughout the day. You're dealing with blood pressure. You're dealing with cholesterol problems. Taking the olive oil first thing in the morning helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and keep your blood pressure stable throughout the day. Come on, somebody. Also, brain function and focus. The healthy monounsaturated fats in the olive oil feeds the brain, supports mental clarity, memory, and mood. Come on. This is what the olive oil does. It's very good for people that's dealing with Alzheimer's and dementia. Oh, it is excellent. So those are the many things for taking it in the morning. Detox and digestion support, antioxidant power, boosts metabolism and energy, supports gut health, cardiovascular protection, brain function and focus. This is what happens during the daytime. Now, when you take it at night, here's some benefits of taking it at night before bed. Anti-inflammatory and healing while you sleep. Isn't that something? In other words, its anti-inflammatory compounds reduce internal stress and supports the body's overnight repair process, which is perfect for healing and regeneration. Did you know God designed your body to regenerate itself? And when you're taking this olive oil, folks, it makes the process perfect. Come on. Also, better sleep and hormonal balance. Come on, ladies, you hear that? I heard many ladies come in and say, listen, at night, I take it at night, it's amazing. So what it does, it supports pineal gland and producing melatonin, aiding sleep and nighttime hormonal functions. Why aren't you taking the olive oil at night as well as in the morning? Okay? Also, blood sugar regulation. Helps stabilize glucose levels overnight, especially beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. The olive oil. Right here, the olive oil. Come on, somebody. Also, bone and joint support. It contains compounds that assist in calcium absorption and reduce inflammation in joints, supporting bone density and arthritis relief. Come on. The olive oil. Right here. And also, at night, it's anti-aging and cell renewal. In other words, at night, your cells regenerate. And olive oil's rich antioxidant content supports skin renewal, collagen protection, and cellular detox. You want a real anti-aging product, folks, right here. The olive oil, from the inside out. So I suggest that you take a tablespoon first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and a tablespoon at night, maybe 30 to 60 minutes before bed. And I'm telling you, when you wake up in the morning, you're going to feel refreshed. You know, I was watching this man on YouTube, and the man lived to be 114 years old. Vibrant, in health. I mean, said he hadn't been sick in 62 years. Had not been sick in 62 years. And one of the things he was taking, folks, was olive oil. Now, excuse me, he was just taking pretty much a regular olive oil. This here is 30 times more potent than any olive oil out there today. Okay, this olive oil here is amazing. Folks, I'm telling you. This comes from Morocco, Africa. We get it from the source. So when you're taking this olive oil, it renews the cells, helps your body to regenerate, supports skin renewal, and, as I said, cell regeneration. It's amazing. It's truly amazing. And remember, it's biblical. It's all right there in the Word of God. So if you're having problems with issues in your health, you want to get the olive oil. Okay? Now, to amplify effects and to take your health to a whole nother level, or take it through the stratosphere, combine with it the Moringa and the vitamin D3. And folks, this is what we call the miracle pack. Right here.